Cake making is one of the most lucrative businesses in Nigeria today. While the process can sometimes be a bit stressful, it's also a lot of fun, especially when you understand the techniques involved. Here's a fondant cake beautifully baked by the Confectionery Department of MESAC, a training ground for skill acquisition and creative excellence. But what exactly is a fondant cake? A fondant cake is a type of cake covered with a smooth, pliable sugar paste known as fondant. This gives the cake a polished, elegant finish, perfect for weddings, birthdays, and all kinds of special events. Some key ingredients used in making fondant include icing sugar, gelatin, glycerin, glucose, and shortening. These ingredients are carefully combined to create that soft, rollable texture that sets fondant apart from regular icing. Today, we're showing you how the fondant cake is being covered using the panning method. The panning method involves gently lifting and draping the rolled fondant over the cake, smoothing it out with your hands or fondant smoothers, and trimming the edges neatly for a flawless finish. It requires patience and practice, but the result is always worth it. At MESAC, we don't just teach recipes, we equip students with real-life, hands-on skills that can turn passion into profit. MESAC is transforming lives, one cake, one skill, one future at a time.
Hello, my name is Chineye Nana, and today we did the fondant decorating of our cake. In here we have a red velvet cake and vanilla cake, and we have covered beautifully using our fondant, which we colored baby pink. So the process of covering the fondant is, first you have to make the fondant ready, and you do that by first sieving your icing sugar, adding the CMC to it, and into that mixture you add a mixture of glucose, vegetable shortening, and water. What we have here is a 1 kg sized fondant, 1 kg sized fondant, and we made use of 1 TBS CMC, 100 grams of glucose, and 1 TBS of vegetable shortening, after which you knead until it becomes very stretchy. Until it becomes extremely stretchy. That's how you are able to cover a fondant cake. Then we added the baby pink color to give it this beautiful color you can see here, and then you cover neatly. And the covering method we used for this particular cake is paneling. We call it the paneling method. You go through the process of stacking the cake together, butter icing, crumb coating, and then covering fully with the fondant. What we have here is a fully covered fondant cake. Happy birthday, Franklin. Okay, so this beautiful, girly, pinky fondant cake was made by the Confectionery Department of MESAC. And to this effect, we would like to send a big shout out to MESAC for the opportunity for us all to have participated in learning, unlearning, and relearning. A big shout out to MESAC. We are super grateful.
At MESAC, what you've just seen is more than creativity, it's commitment, growth, and purpose in action. Because MESAC isn't just a name, it's a movement shaping the future, one skill at a time. Thank you for joining us today. For more information, visit www.springwall.org. And for more inspiring content like this, don't forget to subscribe to MESAC TV on YouTube. Hit the notification bell, like, share, and drop a comment. Your support keeps the movement alive. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and keep moving forward with MESAC.